Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Technology is always changing, and now we can even manage our money at the touch of a fingertip. Our next guests are here with two new ways to help make banking even easier. McCarthy and Stacy Grafenauer are here with First Bank Financial Center to tell us more. Great to see both of you.
Great to see you. Thank you.
It was fun talking to you last week when you visited, because there's some new things you can do with banking that make it even easier that I think are going to really excite people. So let's talk first, just more generally, how you think technology is affecting people and how they bank.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we've been around since 1859, so over 160 years we've seen a lot of technology advancements. In 1963, we were the first bank to have television drive-ins, which was cutting-edge technology at the time, and now everything's done through the mobile device. So we are constantly looking for ways to enhance the customer experience through mobile with things like mobile deposit. We are currently taking over 1,000 deposits a month from our customers through their phone. And just a couple years ago, that would have been unimaginable. So it's changing very quickly.
Absolutely, and I give you a lot of credit, because if you don't meet people where they are in terms of their technology, and everybody can do almost anything now from their phones. What about First Bank Financial Center? How did you decide which technologies, because there's probably so many available, which ones you thought were good for your customers?
Yeah, that's exactly right. And as a community bank, we really need to prioritize what technologies we invest in. So we spend a lot of time not only talking to our customers, but watching their banking habits as well. So for example, we know that 20% of our customers are visiting our site through a mobile device or a tablet. So we built a new website that renders itself properly no matter what device you're viewing us with. Additionally, we know that a lot of people in their 20s are looking for help with their finances. So we just launched a financial education center on our website to help customers get a little smarter about their finances. So for us, it's really about what will enhance that distinctive customer experience for our customers and for prospects that are maybe checking us out.
That's great. And let's talk a little bit about specifics and what new technologies are appearing in your branches.
Yeah, like Jeff said, we're always looking for ways to enhance that customer experience in our branches. So our newest technology in branch is called Instant Issue, and we are able to instantly put a chip-enabled debit card into our customers' hands so they can walk out of any one of our branches with a card they can use that day.
You must understand the reality then. That makes it makes it sound like, and I know one of the statistics is that the average card holder makes 22 transactions per month. A lot of people make a lot more than that. But the fact that you can instantly issue it at any of your branches shows people can't exist or function a lot of times without it. So you're helping meet them where they're at and being able to get that back into their hands quickly.
Right, absolutely. 48% of all non-cash transactions in the U.S. today are made with a debit card. Mm-hmm. So typically, if you were to order a debit card and get it through the mail, it takes about 7 to 10 business days. But if you come into one of our branches to either open an account, or if your card is stolen, or if your card number is compromised, you're going to walk out of the branch with an EMV chip card in your hand that day that you can use that day.
That is fantastic. What about Instant Issue and EMV technology? Why is that important?
EMV technology is the little chip that's inside of the card.
Okay.
And what that little chip does is it counts the number of transactions that occur on the card. So that makes it more difficult for fraudsters to reproduce those cards, which makes fraud less likely to occur on your account.
And that's good for all of us,
yes.
I think. So once someone has their new debit card, how do you feel that technology can continue to help them?
We have a really great new app called Valet, and it has 4 main features that help to control the usage of that debit card. The first one is it has the ability to turn your card on and off. So if you think you've lost your card, but you're not sure if you've really lost it or just misplaced it, you go to your app and turn the card off. And then if you find it again, you can turn it back on and use it right away instead of having to get a whole new one.
That's fantastic, because so often you want to take action right away because you don't want someone misusing it, but then you find it and you're like, oh, and now I'm waiting a week to get that card reissued. Exactly. The other thing you say is it establishes transaction controls.
Yes. So you can go in there and you can set up dollar limits that you want to control it with, or merchant types of where you want to spend it, or geographical location thresholds.
So then if you travel, you could lift some of those location controls.
Correct.
Probably. What about the alerts that you can receive?
The alerts will occur if you meet or exceed any of those thresholds. It'll push an alert right to your mobile device so that you can see what's happening with your card and your account.
And the fourth, and I think this is key too, is you can get real-time balances.
Yes, it reflects all the transactions that you've made with that card, Any time of day, anywhere you are, you can pull it right up in that app and see your balance.
So how can people enroll in Card Valet?
It's really easy. You can go out to the Apple iTunes Store or the Google Play Store, search for Card Valet, download the free app, enter your First Bank Financial Center debit card number, and then answer a couple of questions to identify yourself, and you're all set.
That's fantastic. First Bank Financial Center, you guys are obviously staying on top of technology to help people and meet them where they're at. You have 14 locations serving our area, which is wonderful. To take advantage of the great technologies we just mentioned and to stop by any of the 14 locations today, you can actually earn up to $300 when you open a qualifying checking account and can walk out with the new debit card we mentioned instantly. So you should visit this website to find out more. It's fbfcwi.com/300 for details, or again, visit any of the locations closest to you. It's First Bank Financial Center. Great to see both of you.
Thank you, Molly.
Thank you so much.